Hey everyone, if you have updated to iOS 18 and are eager to experience the new Siri animation powered by Apple Intelligence, you are in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the steps to activate this feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 or later. To check, go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Now let's enable the Siri animation. Open the settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, if you haven't already joined the Apple Intelligence waitlist, tap on Join Waitlist and confirm. Once approved, you will receive a notification. Then return to Apple Intelligence and Siri settings, toggle on Apple Intelligence. For the new Siri animation to work, ensure your device languages and regions are set correctly. Go to Settings, then General, then Language and Region. Set the region to United States and set the language to English US. After making these changes, restart your phone. To apply the new settings, now activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." On holding the side button, you will notice the new animation with colored lights glowing from the edge of the screen, providing a fresh and dynamic look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the new Siri animation on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.